So, for example, repeatedly using keywords.
So that's true, because as a matter of fact, if you use the same keyword phrase that you want to rank for more than 3 times, it actually hurts your ability to rank. So funny enough, the way that SEO works and the algorithm works is that when we first launched onto Amazon 2015, 2016, you would get cumulative credit for mentioning a keyword for ranking juice, like ranking ability. And it was uncapped. So Chinese sellers knew that and hacked it. And what they would do is they would write the same keyword 50 times in the listing. And within the first few days of launch, they'd be number one. So Amazon had to write a defensive line into code, into the actual algorithm, that says that if it's repeated, it's cumulative up to number 3. And after number 3, it starts to reduce your ability to rank. So if you repeat a word that you want to rank for, like a phrase, like in the toiletry bag, for example, if I want to rank for just toiletry, like I don't want to just rank for just toiletry, so I can say toiletry 20 times. That's no problem. But toiletry bag, I want to rank for. And if I repeat toiletry bag for men, men's toiletry bag, bathroom travel toiletry bag, somehow I mentioned toiletry bag 10, 20 times, I'm not going to be able to index or rank for toiletry bag. It actually hurts your ability. So repeating is not better. It's actually worse at some point. They point that out for you. It actually helps you. Yeah, they're kind of giving you a clue there. Not always the best products. So that's absolutely true, right? We beat better products on a regular basis, or bigger, better brands, better quality products in some cases. Like we try to make our products quality, but you can only do so much when you're within pricing restraints, simply because we're better at SEO. So being better at Amazon SEO is more important as long as you've got a competitive product. So knowing your competitors oftentimes means that you know your customers, because you can see through your competitors who's winning and why, right? You can infer why they're winning based on their designs, their positioning, their images, their content. Like within Data Dive, you can click on Deep Dive and you can just hit collapse all, and you can see all of the image stacks, right next to each other. You can quickly see how they're positioning their value propositions and their unique selling propositions and their their product to their buyers. Primarily, you need to know who's winning on Amazon and why. I think like that's the most important thing. But you should also know who your buyers are. So I don't know about brand new startups. I think a lot of categories don't necessarily require you to launch on both right away, at least. And then I think there are more competitive categories you might want to do a strategy where you launch on both at the same time. But that'll be like supplements and skincare and replenishables and things like that. If you're some more competitive categories, you probably do need a blended strategy. But for the most part, become an expert at Amazon primarily.